Okay. You see it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. And tell me if you don't hear.
Was werden so sein Motto so mir, bist genau von früher geworden. Beklugt hat sich der Rebbe heint auf dir, als die der Geist in seine Jugend. Sie sind nicht genug, die willst nicht werden gut, dem Reben nebach, dies der Zerrennen. Schluckst du sich herim und spielst sich noch, und sterst die Kinder, lag du's lernen. Nicht dem es tante, wo's der Rebbe sucht, a schlechter Mensch, nicht du sein Gleichen. Verwusst erzählt nicht, wie ihn schmuckt, sei taten ju dem bläuen Zeichen. Hab mit auf Rämlen sich zu Bettel bläus, hat meine Chemischel zerrissen. Der Fall hat ins der Rebbe auf sein Scheuß noch mit an du geschmissen. Was wird das auf sein Motto, ich frag dich noch, a größere Jink schon kein eine Hore. Wenn ich bin alt gewesen, 13 Jahre, gekennt wie Wasser die Gemorre. A jeden muss lernen, teure mit groß Freude, nicht Narrigkeit in Sinnen. Als wohl der Mensch, was ist zu Gott so weit, was kann gut lernen, in Geld verdienen. Der See, der hat amul, der zählt von dir, legst euch noch Teiber, lach sich Jugend. Bist euch viel besser nicht gewähnt von mir, dein Rebbe hat dir euch geschlugen. Heint kennst du lernen, in hast Geld erziehen, hat Tate nie, vor mir kein Meure. Wenn ich will werden groß, will ich wie die verdienen Geld und lernen teure.
It's a music thing. So we can't read that.
Okay, people, if you speak between yourself, please mute yourself, okay? Thank you. So let's start with the...
That's the instructor. I wish you could get it on you.
Oh, okay. Okay, so Janet, please. Can you read the English, please?
Yes.
Yeah, good.
In 1920, Mortke Gebertig published a collection of his Volksstimmlich Lieder.
It worked out.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Again, people,
Songs
people,
in
if you are speaking with someone, please mute yourself.
Well, see, why does that happen?
a- Oh,
okay.
I'm muting him.
Okay,
I don't
okay,
know.
Janet, please go on.
Okay. 16 years later, a group of admirers published a second anthology, made a leader, My Songs. His song, Motala, appeared in both. We have already read memoirs and heard songs in which the Hader experience was not remembered fondly. Motala is such a song with a humorous twist. There are versions with additional verses. In the third edition of Hannah Mlotek's Mir Trogen Gesang, the father also berates his son for playing all day in the courtyard, breaking the neighbor's window again with a stone, and running after Yannick's pigeons. He asks, "Sie ist Das Schein für jeden. Sie ist das Schein für jeden. Miriam Kreised sings the song here. She was a star of the Yiddish stage, singing and acting. She often sang with her husband, the singer and pianist Seymour Rechtzeit.
Thank you, Janet. Harriet,
Can I ask a
yes.
question? I'm on two places, so I can't, you might not see.
Okay, okay.
What does mir trogen a Gesang mean?
We are carrying a song. We are singing.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So it's another way of saying we're singing, because I know trogen means carrying, and okay, got it.
Okay. Harriet, can you start, please?
Yes, I can. Was wird der Sof sein, Motto? Sag mir. What's going to end up? How's it going to end up, Motto? Tell me. Bist je noch von früher geworden? You're worse than you were before. Beklagt hat sich der Rebbe heint auf dir. The rabbi complained about you today. Als du der jetzt ihm seine Jahren, you're aggravating him. Es ist nicht genug, du willst nicht lernen, God. It's not enough that you don't want to learn. Der Rebbe Nebuch tust der Serenen schlagen sich herum und spielt sich nur. The rabbi, you anger infuriate the rabbi with your tussling with the other kids and amusing yourself und bothering und störst die kinderlich das Lernen, and you bother the children from learning.
Okay, thank you. Maurice, you have anything to add?
Perfect.
Perfect. Anyone wants to ask a question about Daniel? There it is, der Zernen. You know, you see? It was a printing mistake.
What should it have been?
No,
it's
no,
right.
no. It was when he printed out, there were two lange nuns. And so it was a printing mistake, that's all.
I would want to say that just to add that I looked it up. Der game with the dative dioren means to aggravate someone,
Right.
and arum schlagen sich means to tussle with someone.
Yeah, good.
Thank you, Harriet. Elaine, go on.
Oh, nicht emes, Tata, was der Rebbe sagt. It's not true, Father, what the rabbi says. Schlechter Mensch, nicht da sein gleichen. He's a bad man, and nobody is his equal for being bad, I guess. Verwusst erzählt nicht, wie uns schluckt. Ze taten you. Dem blauen Zeichen. Why doesn't he tell how he hits us? Look, Father, the blue marks
Good.
on my arm, I guess. The blue,
Yeah.
black and blue. We're
Good.
black and blue.
Any questions till now? Okay, so go on, Elaine. Another one.
Chab mit Avromlin sich zerwertelt, ja, zerwertelt bloit.
Yeah.
Hat mein Chumischel zerrissen. Abraham and I only joke around, but he ripped my chumash. I guess Avramel ripped his chumash.
Yeah.
Therefore hat uns der Rebbe auf sein Scheuß noch mit a Nigundel geschmissen. And so the Rebbe put us on his lap while he sings a nigun, a little tune, and beats us.
Good. Good. I just want to point out that the name is Avremel. It's Avrom, and the diminutive is Avremel.
Avremel. Okay.
Avremel.
Avram.
Okay. Rafael, please.
Yeah, Tsevertlinzich is a bit stronger than joking around. It's to spar verbally,
That's what I
to
wondered.
argue. So it's the father is complaining that he was fighting with Avremela, and then says, "No, we were just having a loud discussion."
Yeah, that was my
Okay.
question.
That was your question, Barbara?
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you. Appreciate it.
Oh,
Okay.
Tsevertelt. It's got the word word in
Yeah,
it.
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
Tiberkel,
yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, they just had words.
Quarrel.
Okay. Hilda, can you go on, Hilda?
Was wird der Soft sein motto? How will this end, motto?
Freig.
Freig.
Sorry?
Ich freig. Freig.
Oh, ich frag dich.
Right.
Ich frag dich nur, a größer Jung. I'm asking you, a big boy like you, can
Keine
eine
Kinder.
Horror, yeah,
Mm.
keine Horror. Wenn ich bin alt gewesen, 13 Jahre, when I was 13 years old, gekennt wie Wasser die Gemara. I could read the Gemara like water.
Good.
Okay. Would you like to continue?
Can I just, I think
Yeah.
that Vivasser, I think the dictionary said it meant by heart was an idiom. No?
Could be. It could
Fluent.
be.
It's fluent.
Was wird?
No. Aid.
Ayid muss lernen Torah mit Greus
Freig.
Right.
Freud. A
It's a
Jew
fake,
must learn a Jew must learn Torah with great joy.
Good.
Nicht haben Narrigkeiten in Sinnen, not to have silly things in his head.
Good.
As weil dem Mensch was is zu Gott zu leid, was kann Gott lernen und
Geld.
Und Geld verdienen. As
It's voil. It's the word voil. Happy is the man.
Sorry, what is the word?
You know, voil means decent. In this case, he's happy. He's all right.
Okay. A person who is decent, was is to God, who is to God, to light. What does that mean? To
To
light.
people. Right. If he's good to God and to people.
Oh, and to people.
Right. He'll be voil, you know.
Right. Was kann Gott
Good.
lernen? And who can learn und Geld and can earn money?
Yeah. Yeah.
And can earn a living.
Exactly. Thank you. Thank you, Hilda. Yes, Rafael.
Yeah, the expression "Sagotten so light" means upstanding, and I think the idea is you can show your face before God and before people. You're not embarrassed by your actions. You are upstanding. So, "Voil der Mensch, was ist zu Gott so light?" It's good that a person should be upstanding.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Vinkl, I saw that you raised your hand. Vinkl.
Yeah, it was pretty much what Rafael had. I had a question about that idiom.
Okay.
And I didn't know if it meant I'm still not sure that to be to treat human beings as well as to treat God? Could it possibly be interpreted that way? Was kein gut lernen und Geld? No, wait, was so der Mensch was ist zu Gott?
No, that is also
Too late.
to God and to people.
Yeah, so does it mean treat people as well as you treat God?
Right. In
Does it
other
mean treat
words,
God as well as
not
you treat
sufficient.
people?
It's not sufficient just to obey God's commands, but you have to treat people well too.
But literally, but like if we
Yeah,
want to
to treat
translate
them
it, word
well. I mean,
to treat
to God, to light.
that treats God and people equally.
Right.
Is this okay? That's what I thought it
Right.
meant, but it's a common idiom. It just means, like, how would you put it in more idiomatic English?
I think
I can't
Royal
think of
just said it's upstanding.
Yeah.
The
yeah,
idiom
Voil is upstanding, but it's right. In other words, you both have to be religious and treat your fellow human beings decently.
Yes.
In other words, you could know the Chumash by
It's kind of
heart.
like to
You
do
could know the
others as
Talmud
you
by
It's kind
heart,
of like unto
but
others
that's
as you
not
would do unto
enough.
God. Okay.
Okay, Barbara and
Well,
then Steve.
yeah, to me, it's the same. I mean, if you're religious, you know, if you are observant, then you treat God and your community well. So,
Well, I don't know. I don't want to get into that.
well, I mean,
but
that's that. I mean,
anyway.
that is a teaching.
Okay, Morty.
Regarding this discussion, I just wanted to remember a saying that my grandfather had to people who were like the opposite of what it says there. He used to call them aburt unaid.
What?
Aburt unaid, a beard without a Jew.
Oh, that's
what?
nice.
We didn't hear it.
Abort Sinayid.
Aburt unaid.
Unaid. You can have the beard, but you may not be.
Right.
Thank you.
Right.
Okay, Steve, I saw that you
great.
also raised your hand. Steve.
Really was just what Barbara was saying. I think I've heard a phrase in English. I'm not sure exactly where, something like, if you serve man, you serve God. That I don't think it's a Jewish saying, but it's idiomatic in that way. That's all.
Yeah, no, there's a phrase I always wondered, and I think I'm beginning to understand. There's the idiom, besser a yid on a board via board on a yid. Better to have and I always thought it had to do with having the beard plucked out, but better to have a Jew without a beard than a beard without a Jew.
Yeah, that's what I think
Anyone heard that before?
Morty was saying.
And so I think that's what this means.
Yeah,
but I hadn't heard the other one that your father used to say. That's a good one.
Okay, so let's continue.
Thank you.
Levana, can you read, please?
Ja, der Seide hat einmal erzählt von dir. Flex euch noch Teibeler sich jagen. Bist euch viel besser nicht gewöhnt von mir. Der Rebbe hat sich euch geschlagen. So your grandfather to say about you that you hit the doves.
No,
you
to run after,
you chase the doves.
I think soon we should be getting the bathtub with the walk-in.
Okay.
Somebody mute, please.
Because it's getting harder.
No, it's someone else.
I got it.
Do we all get to use the bathtub?
Not at the same time, Steve.
Then what's the point?
Okay, sorry, Levana. Sorry.
Bist euch viel besser nicht gewöhnt von mir. You yourself are not better than me. The Rebbe also hit you.
Right. Good.
Go on, please.
Heim kennst du lernen und hast Geld dazu. hat Tatenu für mir kein Meure. Today you can learn and you have money. I mean, and you earn money. My father doesn't fear me. Then
No,
He's
don't.
telling him, don't be afraid. Tatenu, hot famir kein moed. Don't be afraid.
Dear Daddy, don't be afraid of me, for me.
No, don't be afraid for me that I might do those bad things.
When ich
I
will
don't
werden
learn.
groß, when I will grow up, I, like you, I will earn money and learn Torah,
Good.
study Torah.
Sehr
Thank
good.
you. Thank you. Maurice, you have anything to add?
No, perfect. Sehr good.
Any question, any comments before we listen to it once again? Okay, let's listen to it.
Was wird es auf sein Motto suchen will, bist genau von früher geworden. Beklugt hat sich der Rebbe heint auf dir, als die der Geist in seine Jugend. Sie sind nicht genug, die willst nicht lernen gut, dem Reben Nebuch, dies der Zerren. Schluckst du sich herim und spielst sich noch, und scherst die Kinder, lag du's lernen. Nicht dem es Tante, wo's der Rebbe sucht, a schlechter Mensch, nicht du sein Gleichen. Verwusst erzählt nicht, wie ihn schluckt, sei taten ju dem bläuen Zeichen. Hab mit am Rämlen sich zu weg bläus, hat mein Chemischel zerrissen. Der Fall hat ins der Rebbe auf sein Scheuß, noch mit an du geschmissen. Was wird das auf sein Motto, ich frag dich noch, a größere Jung schon kein eine Hore. Wenn ich bin alt gewesen, 13 Jahre, gekennt wie Wasser die Gemorre. A jeden muss lernen, Tore mit groß Freude, nicht Narrigkeit in Sinnen. Als wohl der Mensch, was ist zu Gott zu weit, was kann gut lernen, in Geld verdienen. Der See, der hat amul, der zählt von dir, fleckst euch noch Teiber, lach sich Jugend. Bist euch viel besser nicht gewähnt von mir, dein Rebbe hat dir euch geschlugen. Heint kennst du lernen, in hast Geld erziehen, hat Katin nie, vor mir kein Meure. Wenn ich will werden groß, will ich wie die, verdienen Geld und lernen
Okay. Rafael, I saw that you put 2 more stanzas in the chat. Can you maybe please read it for us?
Sure. Was wird der Sof sein, Mottel? Endverdruf. What will the end be, Mottel? Answer about it. Die Schreinem sagen, ich muss glauben. The neighbors say, and I have to believe them. Du jogst sich ganze Tage rum in Haif. You're playing around for the entire day in the yard. And chaverst sich mit Yannick's Teuben. And you become very friendly with Yannick's doves. Now Yannick is a non-Jewish name. Is das schön für jeden? Sag allein. Now, do you think that's really nice for Jews? Tell me yourself. Mit Teuben sich herumzujagen, to go around with the doves, to play around with doves. Has Nächtenmottel wieder mit der Stein dem Schachens Scheiben ausgeschlagen. And is it true that yesterday have you again put out a window of the neighbor with a stone? Nicht demes Tate, it's not true, Daddy. Sizner keimer reus a stickelscheib. Only a little bit of the window pane fell out. Mackenzie Kleppen, it's possible to put it back, to glue it back. Ich jag sich nicht. I'm not chasing. Ich guck sich zu. Norblois, I'm just looking at the doves. Wie schön die Teibelach sich schweben. How beautifully the little doves are soaring. Wie frei sie springen sich herum in Häuf. How freely they're jumping about in the yard. Wie schön die Kernlich sie picken. How nicely they pick at the seeds. Wie schnell sie geben sich a lozaruf. You almost like they say aroif, to rhyme with Häuf. How quickly they let themselves up into the air, wenn sie a fremde Teil der Blicken, when they catch sight of a foreign dove.
Okay. Okay, that was fun. Thank you. Okay, so any question, any comment about the song?
Mina,
Yes,
I just want to
Maurice.
point out that, the song was written and sung originally by Mordechai Gibirtik, and it's extremely probable when Gibirtik was a kid, he was called Mottel, because Mordechai, the diminutive, the affectionate word for Mordechai is Mottel. So
Yeah. Okay. Morty, were you ever called Mottel? Morty?
Might have stepped away.
he's in the little boy's room.
Okay. Rafael, yes, please.
The very first scene in Sholem Asch's novel East River has to do with doves, people on the top floor on the roof of the tenements in New York in the 1920s and 30s. And there were competing gangs of doves, and some of them were run by Jewish people, and they would, Jewish kids mostly, and they would try to attract the doves of the other people's group in order to increase their own flock of doves. And so it was an occupation. No, it was a pastime, both of Jews and non-Jews, and both in Europe and in New York.
Is it the same as pigeons?
Pigeons,
Yeah, dove and a
too.
pigeon. Dove is the nicer word for it, but yeah, these are pigeons.
My father had pigeon in Poland up on the roof.
Yet pigeons? Okay.
Pigeons, yeah.
Were they homing pigeons or just?
I don't
ordinary
know. This was before the war and before my time.
Okay. Okay, any more comments? Okay, so we are moving back to the strike, to the chicken strike, to the chicken boycott of Yom Kippur. They don't want that the Kapures will be schlugen with them. So we are on page 5. Let me share it with you. Which one is this? I think this one. Okay. We are here. Just a moment, okay? Okay, so Bob, you say that you wanted also that paragraph, the small one. Okay, go on, Bob.
Okay, can you hear me? So the
Yes, we can.
Okay, good. So most other attempts at compromise have failed. So now they're talking about creating delegations to discuss the issue of Kaporis. So MS wie mehr hinher seinen. Yeah, yes, true. We're all hens. Haben untergehalten aller Eufis in ein Kohl. And I saw that as and all the fowl kind of rallied around in one voice. und es ist geworden noch größer Geschrei mit größeren Tumult, and with even a greater scream and with great tumult, confusion, racket. Die Eufes haben, this is the gegoget alla in einem. They cackled all together. Gesprungen eins, gegen das andere, jumped up against each other or banging into each other. Gepickt sich in die Keplach, biting in their heads. Azoi long, azoi bright, long and far-reaching. Bizes is arois getrogen von ze the deputatia. Yeah, and I guess kind of then there appeared with them, or they ended up with a delegation. At zwei, drei Galagatske Henner mit hipscher beard. Two or three roosters with sizable beards. Un a paar schöne gewöhnliche Henner un etliche Inge Honiglich. So, and a pair or a few pretty common hens, and some young roosters or hens.
Roosters.
Just a moment, Bob. The Galaganska, that's a type of chicken. It's a type of chicken.
Oh, henliche, chicks, young chicks.
No. It's called Galagan hens. It's a type of chicken, and it has, this like a bird.
Henliche, okay. Größe Schries mit
Schreies.
Schreies mit Mojinga Kelchlach. Great screamers, is that it? Screechers?
Yes.
and quite young voices, I guess, with squeaky young voices. Und schwitzen bei der Deputatius, hat sie ungeheuben a Gespräch. And in between both delegations, a conversation began. Was wird beschrieben in capital Vav, what's written below in chapter Vav.
Minute, can I ask a question before you go on? The word,
of course.
Yeah, the word Aroisgetrotten. What does it mean?
Aroisgetrotten.
Stepped out.
Like trotted out.
Yeah.
Okay.
They came out of the mass.
Got it.
Yeah, they did this delegation kind of emerged.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Foil, please.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the first line of that paragraph, Emes wie mir hinner seinen. This is kind of a joke. Wie ich bin a Yid. Wie mir seinen Yiden. It's a way of expressing certainty about something. As I am a Jew, this is true. So they're saying, true, as we are chickens.
Okay.
Yeah, there's so much humor in there that yeah, it depends on your ability to interpret it and catch the subtleties.
And of our
So
knowledge of Yiddishkeit.
lucky we have Raphael. So this is the and this is the I guess the wise religious men Bel Batim. So
The Balabotem.
Batim. So they're it's translated like men of the parchment, or I guess literally, or these are I guess the religious men, right?
No, it doesn't have to be religious men. The Balabotem, the people that, you know, they are
In
well,
charge. They're in
well
charge.
established.
I see. Okay. The delegation. Okay, got it. Um, so they say begin bezijn zot was wilt ihr henner. Okay, then what do you hens want? Red werte, speak words. Instead of cackling, I guess. And the henners, the fowl respond, was sollte mir wollen? What do we want? Wir will nicht sein für euch die Kapparas. We don't want you to do this Kapparas. Wir geben euch weg unser Fleisch, unsere Fetten, als was ihr will. We've given you our meat, our feathers, everything you want. No kein Kaporis sollten ihr mit uns nicht schlagen. We just don't want you to throw us around with this Kaporis or perform a Kaporis. Stage? Is that possible? Wir seien doch etwas Juden. After all, we're Jews. Wir müssen doch schlagen Kapporas. We have no choice. We must do the Kapporas. Azoi Gor? Is that so? Wo steht das schön? Where is that written? Wo steht geschrieben? Where is it written? Was is shade? Why is that relevant? Was is our X? You know, what's it, your business?
Isaac.
What's Isaac? Isaac, why is that your concern? Wo steht geschrieben? Where is it written? Es ist bei uns a minhug yeshin. By us, it's just a tradition. It's a major tradition. An alte minhug fun ke I guess kadmoinen, an old tradition from primeval times. Where are we? Modne oifus is like what strange birds fowl you are. Asma koilet eich azoi un me blut eich un me es eich is eich gringer. Since since you are slaughtered, you are bled, you are eaten, is that easier? Is it? I'm you.
No. When you are killed and cooked,
Is that easier than the Kapparas? Você dienen mit mitzvah. Why can't a Jew earn a mitzvah? 600. Wat meer zo eenmaal Bnei Adam is by eich garnished. You've already been told 3 times about this Bnei Adam. I guess that's the prayer before.
That's, I think, part of the prayer, but
It's the start.
someone,
I looked it up. It's the start of the Kippur.
the
Right,
Kapores.
right. You know,
prayer.
but yeah, is that nothing to you? And the poor fowl replies, sollte euch wissen von Gebrechten.
Brotens.
You should know from roasting wie mehr weißen, like we know. Was bei euch is B'nai Odom Utzeh. What does B'nai Odom prayer do for you? Or
Thank you, Bob. Thank you. Good. Okay, Refoil and then Susan. Refoil, please.
There is an expression that Shlomo uses and others as well. Guckt v'achunen di b'nei Adam. He doesn't understand what's happening. He's looking the way a chicken looks at the b'nei Adam, that particular prayer. And so the idea is auch, dass wissen von Gebrotens wie mir wissen, was bei euch im b'nei Adam tut sich. You should know from Gebrotens what's happening with this thing, because this B'nai Adam thing is.
Okay. Susan?
Yeah.
I'm wondering if there's more meaning to the B'nai Odom in this line. Und dus was mir sucht mit euch dreimal B'nai Odom, because B'nai Odom means son of man. And the fact you call these chickens three times in the prayer human beings, you're giving them a compliment. Well, you don't think there's something humorous in that, or am I just reading it in?
I don't think they're talking about the chickens in the prayer. They're talking about how humans should be given mercy. Okay. I'll put a link to it. You can read the whole thing.
Okay. Okay, good.
You kind of root for the chickens, don't you?
No, I think you're right there. I think that there is some really heavy
At least
irony
I'm
that
rooting for the chickens.
of all the mitzvahs, of all, the ones that the one that the chickens don't want them to use, it's the one for human beings, because like every animal needs to eat. They don't mind being slaughtered for eating, but why this particular prayer that's just about B'nai Adam? Because they're not B'nai Adam, and so why should they be used in place of B'nai Adam? Here's how it goes. It's children of man who sit in darkness and the shadow of death, bound in misery and chains of iron. He will bring them out of darkness and the shadow of death, and on and on and on. I'll put it in the.
Okay.
So they're talking about the human condition.
Okay. Okay. Barbara?
So why 3 times? Can somebody explain the 3 times?
It's always either 3 times or 7 times. So I don't
Like a legal thing. It's like a legal thing.
Wondering.
Like we do Kol Nidre 3 times, it's like a legal.
Oh, so it's convening some kind of a court, convening a court, giving legitimacy.
Yeah.
Oh,
Like-
thank you.
It's like poo, poo, poo. You do
Not quite.
3 times. Too.
Thank you.
Okay, Susan, go on.
Where are we?
Vale bottom, the top of the page.
Oh.
Top of page 6.
Balabatim und die Broche, was der Scheuchet macht auf euch. And what about the blessing that the Shochet, that the slaughterer says over you? Lozer besser machen a Broche auf a Dunner. It would be better if he didn't waste his Broche and set it on thunder. Und dus, was jüdische Kinder verfasten sich und fasten up mit euch a heilige Taines. And the fact that Jewish children, how would you translate verfasten sich?
To eat the last meal before the fast.
Okay, and they finish up with you as a heilige Tainus, and they finish such a holy fast, the Yom Kippur, the holy fast, which is Yom Kippur. Wosje is epis gefallen der Geurel auf uns? For what is that fate fallen upon us? Orme Eufus, poor chickens, poor fowls, winzig Fäule Gens, fette Katschkes
What happened?
mit grobe
Oh.
Beichelach. Less lazy geese, fat ducks with fat bellies, indicas, miyuchsim, drehen sich herum bei euch auf der Welt. Special turkeys, miyuchsim, worthy turkeys?
Yeah.
Worthy turkeys, they go around where you are in the world. Was tun sie gar nicht. And what they do nothing. Nor me fresst und nor me säuft. They eat and they drink. Und me poljosket and they splash sich in alle kalushes, and they splash themselves in all the puddles.
Okay, so Susan, before you go on, any questions until now? With all those new words that we have here?
Can I ask a question? Is kalushes somehow related to galoshes?
Yeah.
Maybe.
It's a good question.
Maybe. I don't think that Louisa is here, so no Polish today.
Oh, I just
don't
thought,
know.
oh, it's Polish. Oh, it's Polish.
A lot of Polish.
I think it's Slavish.
Yeah, it does look with the zh sound in it.
I think it's Slavish. Okay, go on, Susan.
Oh. Gens keulen mir Chanukka und prägeln von sei Schmalz auf Pesach. As far as geese, we kill them Hanukkah time, and we fry them. Oh, and we get from them the schmaltz that we use for Pesach cooking. Katschkes broten mir ozoi, indicas hodevin mir auf yontiv. And ducks, we cook in a certain way. Turkeys,
we raise.
We raise.
We raise. Hodevin, we take care of them we use them for yontiv.
Is that for holidays, or could it be for the holiday? Because I don't think anybody Jewish used turkeys before Thanksgiving, did they?
Oh, sure.
They
For
did?
Purim, it's and Hanukkah, absolutely.
Purim,
in the early days?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You know, the Maccabees had turkeys.
Right.
They did.
Yeah, right.
I thought turkeys were.
And they didn't live very far from Turkey.
You know, when I learned from another teacher, when the Jews got to America and they got introduced to turkeys, they wrote back to the rabbis in the old country to ask if they were kosher or not, because they had never seen them before.
Ah, that's strange.
Okay.
Und euch dürfen wir auf Kapurus. We need you. We don't need you at all.
No, but
No.
that's the thing that you can you can understand it, that we didn't
We
need
need
you at
you
all,
to
or
make
we need
sacrifices
or
from
we need
you.
for kapore, so it's it's double edged. It's
Wait,
double-edged.
say that again, one person at a time.
Okay.
Minna, you say, what did you say, Minna?
The Dach of Kapures means we don't need you. We don't need you at all. But here, it's also the other thing. We need you of Kapures because with chicken, they shlu Kapures. So they do need them of Kapures. So it's a double,
It would be like hell we need you.
Okay.
Okay, Morty, yes.
Yeah.
Morty, a minute. Morty?
Zeitlich kein Azes punim. Don't be so fresh, so impudent.
Impudent.
Es reden nicht mit euch kein Jünglich. No little boys talk with you. Es reden mit euch epis balabatim. It's not little boys that talk with you. It's householders, grown people, rabbonim, rabbis, dayanim, judges, shochtim, slaughterers, ritual slaughterers. So it's not little kids that are doing these things to you. It's the important people.
So just a moment, Susan, because Morty wanted to say something.
Sorry.
Morty, where
No,
did you go?
it's all right. Let's just move.
It's okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, so Susan, go on. The OIFS.
Oh, Schoi's team, coilers, slaughterers, what are coilers?
Murderers.
Colon, murderers, Am misse Schöne soll kommen auf alle Scheuchtim. May they have an ugly end, all those judges from the ganze Welt, and all the judges in all the world.
No,
The slaughterers.
the slaughterers, the butchers.
Schechten, slaughterers.
I know dit uns nur a poor Scheuchtim. So just give us some slaughterers right here. A couple of.
We will show them. We will show them. Give them to us. Okay.
What's a misa mishina?
Misa machine.
An ugly death.
Oh, an ugly death.
Terrible death.
A bad end.
Yeah.
Bad.
Okay. Thank you, Susan. Thank you. Yes, Morty.
Yes, the word coilers. Coilers is not, as far as I know, is not really murderers. Coilers in Yiddish, when somebody had slaughtered a chicken or another animal, you say er hat gekoilet. Not murdered, but coilet, slaughter.
No, but it's also used to kill people. Koilen.
Now,
In a
it's
pogrom.
also used, as far as I understand, there's also a saying, er hat mir gekoilet una messe. Also said, hat mir geschochten una messe. He killed me without a knife, meaning that he robbed me of my money.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Karen, go on. The Balabusin. Karen.
Okay.
sorry for the delay.
No problem.
Die Balabatim, die Balabatim sagen, ihr seid gegen dem Mineg, Mineg Ha'olam. Are you against the masters, the owners said, are you against the ways of the world or the customs of the world? Ihr wilt machen an Iber Kerinisch in der Welt. You want to make things upside down in the world. Is that an okay
Yes.
translation?
Yes. Upside down, Libre Kernisch.
Certain things. Ihr widerspennigt.
Are you rebelling?
Are you rebelling? Ihr seid Mord
Moired Bamalchus.
Bemelochas. You
It's again, are you rebelling against the government?
Oh, thank you. Ihr werdet uns haben zu gedenken. You will remember this, or you won't forget this. Die Eifis azoi ay. Oh really? Ay. Was wird ihr uns tun? What are you going to do with us? Ihr werdet uns avada. I'm sorry,
Masseren.
Are you going to you will denounce us? Loden.
Just a moment. I understand that Masseren is that someone is telling the government about them.
Oh, for Mossar. Oh.
Will you turn us in?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I understand. Is it right, anyone?
Yeah, it's to inform.
To inform, yeah.
To inform, right.
To inform.
Yes,
Are you going to inform you to the authorities or something like this?
Because they're talking revolution.
Yeah, they are revolution.
Well, that's the same as turn in, to inform us.
Right.
Loden zum Osana Toikef.
I don't know how do you say it in Yiddish. Venat Tokef.
Unasana Toikef.
Unasana Toikef. That's how you say it in Yiddish. Okay.
Yeah.
Unasana Turkif.
And what does it mean?
It's the Nasana Turkif prayer.
It's to file a suit against us, like a legal suit against us.
That's it, but there is also a form
It's a prayer on Yom Kippur.
Yes, confession.
Confession.
Thank you.
Rafael, can you sum up?
Yeah, it's both Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur, and it's in the Musaf, and it's not confession. It's a very interesting poem, in some ways parallel to Dies Irae in Latin, on that day of judgment, who will live and who will die. So now Lodensum Unasana Tokef, that's an interesting expression. Are you going to summons us before the judgment that is mentioned in the prayer Unasana Tokef?
Okay, thank you.
Are you going to call us to account? How about that?
Good.
Are you going to call us to account?
Ludden means to call someone, to summon someone.
To call up to account. Are you going to hold us responsible?
These are pretty knowledgeable chickens for sure, that they know the service that well. I
Okay.
think
Some
they're
of them
bagging
have
it. I think they
beards.
really know what's going on.
They know their prayers.
They
That's
probably
true.
have their own musaf. They probably.
Okay,
Substantial
Karen, go
beards.
on. Karen, go on.
Geetje eich Gesundheit. Go in health. I think that means go right ahead. Be my
Sure. Right.
Ko, 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 ko. Und sie ist geworden Quackerei zwischen die Hühner, and there came a cackling from the hens. Und die Hühner haben angehoben zu krähen auf Kolikolos. And the it was so I'm not sure if I'm getting this backward. Henner are roosters. Hiner are hens.
Yeah.
Yeah, hen are the roosters.
And the
Yes.
roosters und die Henner haben angehoben zu krähen auf Kolikolas. And the roosters began to crow very loud as Mechot dem Kukeriku gekonnt Helen von 10 Mile arum unarum, and their crowing, their kukurikus could be heard 10 miles around, from miles
Okay.
around.
Good.
Thank you. Thank you, Karen.
You're welcome.
Rafael, yes?
My guess is that ka is laughter. Instead of ha, which would usually be how it is, that's maybe how a chicken laughs, ka. And it works in this particular context anyway.
Okay. Okay. Rafael, go on, read, please.
Und Balabatim haben abgetrotten a bissel auf der Seite. So the householders, they stood away a little distance. Sich geschuschket, they whispered to each other. Gesäudet, they spoke secrets. Geätzet, and they gave each other advice. Was tut man? What'll we do? Und es ist geblieben, it was decided, me soll noch amol approved han. That again they should try Reden mit die weiße Chevrenikes. To speak with the, now weiße Chevrenikes usually refers to the pre-bar mitzvah lads. But here it might be referring to the chickens. And
But
why
it's
weiße
usually
Chevre?
it's rascals, no? Isn't it rascals?
Well, it can mean. Yeah, weiße Chevrenik. I once asked Mordechai Schechter, why does weiße Chevrenik refer to the gang of pre-bar mitzvah lads? And he said he didn't know. So anyway, but that's the Weiße Chevronikis.
Well, it was also used to mean gangsters.
Well, maybe, but the usual meaning is kids.
Mm-hmm.
Well, kids who were behaving badly because they haven't been bar mitzvahed and taught what they should be doing yet.
No, it's not necessarily behaving badly even. The Weiße Chevronikis are just the youngsters.
Innocent.
Often they're not referred to as people who are doing things that are impermissible. So anyway.
Okay.
Toys.
But just a moment, Susan, yes?
Well, yes, Weiße Hefenikas are kids. The whole thing is that children, when they're babies, their hair, if they're light complexioned, their hair can be white or blonde, and it gets darker as they grow older. So if you have a group of very young kids, a lot of them will have very light hair. Jewish kids, you have plenty of blonde kids with light hair. And then as they grow older, that same group of kids, the hair turns brown.
Okay, thank you. Go on, Rafael.
Right, and in my own dictionary, I translate Weiße Chevre as cheder youngsters, kids of that age. Anyway, they're going to again try to speak with these Weiße Chevronikis. Ze zusagen epis alekechel, to promise them something of a, now a lekech is a cookie, but to give them a carrot instead of a stick.
sweet
Tomer vet men fort by ze epispoilen. Maybe you'll, after all, be able to accomplish something with them. Choch vos nicht is. Whatever it might be. Lo seine kapora af zweien, af dreien, abia kapora. Let there be a kapora for 2 or 3, as long as it's a kapora. I think what that means is let's have a few, not all of us, but some of us will have the kapora ceremony. I'm not sure. Und der Rav hat sich herausgestellt auf zufrier. The rabbi came forth first und hat wieder einmal ausgerufen zu die Eifes. And he again spoke out to the chickens. Shim'u na raboisim. Just listen, please, masters. Hört euch, Eifes. Just listen, chicks. Fowl. Was mir wollen sagen, to what we're going to tell you. Die meiste davon ist azoi. The problem is like this, or literally, the story about it is like this. Mir wollten mit euch eigentlich gar nicht bedarf da so viel einteilen. We would have preferred, after all, eigentlich, or in truth, not to have needed to deal with you so much. Einteilen is to have a back and forth discussion. Wir seien das gar nicht gewohnt geworden, viele. We are even not accustomed to such a thing. Ihr mögt uns glauben auf nemones. You can believe us in good faith, as wir haben zu euch genug Mitteln. Wir sollen euch nehmen mit Gewalt. You can believe us that we have enough methods that to take you forcefully. Nur, azoi wie die Zeit ist schon sehr kurz, but seeing as the time is quite short, es ist schon bald erev Yom Kippur, it's soon going to be the day before Yom Kippur. Wir können chalila bleiben unkipparis, and God forbid we might be left without any kipparis. Lachein, therefore, give mir euch legatus. We are giving you no, what is legatus?
Privileges.
Privileges, yeah. It's a Russian word, yegote. Yeah, or vilgote, you see sometimes. We'll give you some benefits. Kukri-koo, legatus. Kakadoodle-doo, privileges. Hat ausgezeugen einer weiße Chevrenik. One of these weiße Chevrenikes shouted out. Und zwischen die Hinner is gewordene Quakerei. And among the chickens, there was a great cackling. Caw, caw, caw! Legatus, legatus. So here it doesn't mean, maybe it is laughter, maybe not. Privileges, privileges. Und der Rav hat sie gegeben zu verstehen, and the rabbi let them understand, in im Namen von die Balabatim, in the name of the upstanding citizens, was für legatus magitze, what sort of privileges they're going to get. The oifus hastes, that is, the chickens. Legata nummer eins, first privilege. I took far kapara schlugen, one day before the schlugging of kaporas, so man geben die oifus essen und trinken. They should give the chickens to eat and to drink, gleich wie nicht zeimetmen, as if it's not concerning them at all.
It's like the last dinner.
Yeah, but we'll give them the usual amount of food, and we'll pretend that nothing's happening.
Nothing good.
Oh.
I see Susan's hand is up.
Susan, you wanted to say something?
Oh, no, that was from before.
From before, okay, good.
Legata nummer 2, the second privilege, b'shah shlogen kaparas and zogen b'nei adam, at the time of shlogen kaparas and reciting the prayer b'nei adam, soll man nicht drehen mit die Eifes meshugenerweis. They shouldn't twirl these chickens in a wild manner. Und nicht abchappen auf der Gich, dem ze kaparasi, ze chalifasi, ze tumerasi. And they shouldn't quickly grab onto the expressions which end with the kapora ceremony. Let this be my kapora. Let this be an exchange for me. Let this be. That's tumurasi. What's a khalifa? It's like an exchange, right?
Yes, that's an exchange. That
Yeah.
instead of me, instead of
Okay.
me.
This be my in my stead. This be my exchange.
Mhm.
Nur von der Gring, Pavolinke. But people will say it simply and slowly. Ze kaparosi. This is quite a privilege. Khalifosi. Ze timurasi. They'll recite it um, slowly.
Okay,
That's really privileges
another
here. Okay, one more privilege.
sentence.
Legata nummer drei, the third legata. Obschlagen Kaporas soll man nicht warfen die Hinner unter den Tisch. Having finished schlugging Kaporas, people should no longer toss the chickens under the table, wie bisher, as was the custom up till now. Nur Pavolinke weggelegt und weggetragen zum Scheichet. But slowly set them down and carry them off to the slaughterer.
Thank you, Rafael. David Katz, please.
Legata nummer 4. Binden soll man sie nicht porlerweise. One should not tie them up in pairs. Wie bisher, like up to now. Nor eensigweise, just one at a time. It lacks oif besonder. Waarom nicht alle oifes zijn gleich Charakteren. Zijn gleich Charakteren. So, because I guess some chickens are not, some are different, and they're not all alike in character. Treft oftmal als men piekt zich, met bloedtiekt zich, eens das andere gebundenheid. This one, we often find out that one chicken, one is like picking and making the other one, bleed, one with the other. When they're tied up. Gebundenheid. Ja. We go to nummer 5. Vliegen soll men die oifes nog in keulen. You should pluck their feather out only after you have butchered them. Nicht fahren keulen, not before. Die andere seien sie sich neuig in Sach Eter. Like they're doing, like it's customary in a lot of places. Legata nummer 6. Beschaß der Scheuchert nimmt das auf zwischen die Fies und verdreht das Keppel Roof. While during the meanwhile, the Scheuchert takes the Scheuchert takes the fowl between between its feet and twists, turns it.
No, it
turns its head up. Yeah.
No, it twists that's how it twists the head.
To twist the head, like so.
Kills it, yeah.
Like so. Gefällt euch ein bisschen Gottes? Are these pleasing to you? These rules?
The privileges.
Privileges, yeah. Es hat euch geschwiegen, ein Junger an Jesus Ponem. Screamed out a young rooster, an impotent one, I guess, and Jesus Ponem. In Nord im, die Iberiker alle Häufes, die Iberiker alle Häufes haben gekreit und gewocket. And after him, all the other chickens started, making chicken sounds, crowing and chicken sounds. Genug legotas, enough of the privileges. In der Erde rein, die Balabatim, mit Zeir Alagotas. Just the heck with these just about the owners, I guess, with their privileges, you know. Und die Euphis haben sich losgetan, alle zu die Balabotum, and the chickens allowed to the Balabotum and to the haben sich allowed the Balabotum. I don't know how to translate that sentence well. Und die
They
Balabotum.
attacked
Oh,
the
they let
Balabotum.
themselves
They
too.
attacked
Yeah, they attacked them. Yes, better.
They
Yeah,
attacked
they
them.
let themselves on them. Und die Balabotum, es soll sie zu kein Schand nicht sein. So then the Balabotum, so that they would not have any shame, not be embarrassed, I guess. Hoben Aponum, verstanden mit was das schmeckt. Haben sie genommen die Viehs auf die Plätze und marsch zurück hin. Hitler in sein rein. In sein Gru rein. So the Balabotum, seeing what's about to happen, they apparently they understood what is about to happen, the smell of it, so to speak, and they hurried off. They took their feet on their shoulders. They hurried off and they marched away, and to just be left in peace.
Okay, thank you, David.
Sure.
Barbara, would you like to finish it for us?
I'm going to pass.
Okay, no
Thank
problem.
you.
Hold on.
No problem. Ralph, can you finish it for us? You're still here?
I'll try.
Yes. Okay.
Zij had zich uitgelost der deze keer wunderlicher strike van die Eufes. That's how the situation, I think, let out from these
Wonderful strike.
Wonderful strike van the Eufes, from the foul. Von the malt on, from demalt on, from that time on, Koilet men ze take of viele aze vi freer. And from that time on, they were treated like they were before. Yes, ja. Me fliegt they flick their feathers. Und schneit they cut them. Und me koch them, they cook them. Und me brunt and we roasted them.
Brenze, yeah.
Burned them or roasted. Und me pregelt they fried them. Und me der langt they zum Tisch unter allerlei Soven sauce. Oh, they put them in the sauces und
Vertraves, dishes.
Vertraves.
And they serve them to the table with all kinds of sauces and dishes.
Als denk azevi freer, just like it was before. Nor kein kapuris mit ze schlugt men nicht. We don't schlug kapuris with them. Und kein bnei adam, and we don't say to bnei adam mit ze zogt men nicht, and we don't say the bnei adam fe fui ois kapuris. Der minhag versteht ihr mich. The custom is, you understand you understand me, is geworden ois minhag. The custom became nullified, gone. Upon him, soist nicht da kein Eufke, Eibeke Sach auf der Welt. Apparently, is not. I'm not sure what that kein Eufke.
Eternal.
Eibeke. Oh,
There is no eternal.
Is in the world. Als Dink bis at Zeit. Everything to its time. I'll sing. I'll.
It's from, there is a season for everything and so on.
I see.
Okay. So that was the strike of the chickens. That was this. Yes, Raphael.
So apparently, at the time he's writing this, the custom fallen out of favor, at least among people he knew, because he says, Ois kaparas, the minig is geworden ois minig. This custom has disappeared. And who says there's nothing that lasts forever in the world? Everything up to its own time, and that's all. So that's apparently he was a little distressed that Kaporis no longer was happening.
Okay, you should have lived in our times and see that it's still going on.
Yeah.
Yes, Levana.
I just wanted to remind that Sholem Aleichem wrote another short story about Kaporis, how the hen striked and ran away. They went on strike for Kaporis.
Mm-hmm. Okay, maybe next year I will find this story.
I can say, there's a book, little book, it was translated in French, Zweisprachige, bilingual.
Okay. If you find it, send it to me so we can do it, God willing, next year. So next week is Rosh Hashanah, so we don't have a class. And so, Michael, can you read the Gebench for all of us? Michael Fissman.
Okay. Gut gebencht, schäferisch, gesund, freilich, your blessed, creative, healthy, happy year. Mit brocha, hatzlocha, und shefa rav, with blessings and success and plenty, shefa, abundance, rav, a lot. Begashmius, Veruchanius, with physical and spiritual, mit Baharchavas Hadat, with broadening of the knowledge, und Nachasasach, and lots of pleasure. And tired of Freund, I can't see the tired of Freund, dear friends, von ganzem Herzen wünschen wir euch good from our whole heart. We wish you a good, gesund, healthy, schäferisch. I think schaffen, it doesn't come from schaffen, creative.
Yes, creative.
Yeah, und a freilich and a happy year, a year von Frieden und Shalom, a year of peace, of freedom and peace.
Okay, I also found, like a very short poem about gefilte fish or fish. So, okay, we still have a couple of minutes. So, Michael, can you?
Okay. No, well, it's appropriate that Fishman reads the fish.
Oh, yeah, exactly. I didn't think of it. Good.
See, hast du gegessen jiddische Fisch? Have you ever eaten Jewish fish. Jeden in Alterheim, Jews in the old home, pflegen kaufen fish, used to buy fish, nicht warfen kein Netzen, not throw nets to catch the fish, nicht backen they a fire in the Nacht, not baking them on fire at night, auf die Breggen von Teich, at the shore of the river. Gekauft, they bought it, gemacht, they made it, gekocht in copper pan. They cooked it in their copper pan. Mein Bobo hat sie gepfeffert. My grandmother peppered them. Gesalzen, she salted them. A teil von sie gemalt. She
Grounded.
ground some of them und Zwiebel zugegeben and added onion und a stickel Shabbos challah and a bit of the challah from Shabbos. Die andere gefüllt, die other filled. Und ständig erzählt and always told. In Poland, but zuckert man fish. Oh, in Poland, we sugar the fish. Vardos kochen in Vinkl, to cook it in, I take it a little pan, I'm not sure.
Yeah, in a pan, yeah.
Mir Litwakas, so as Litvaks, nehmen die frische, zappeldicke fish, take the fresh, still shaking fish, salzen, we salt it, pepper it, and kochen sie auf Shabbos, and we cook it for Shabbos.
Okay,
Can
thank you.
Can we get a
Thank
copy
you.
of this, Mina, of all of this? This is
I will
wonderful.
send it to you. Yeah, I wanted, to say a happy New Year and to bring something for it. I will send it to you.
Oh, that's lovely. Thank you.
So, Happy New Year. We won't have class next week because it's Rosh Hashanah. So we will meet in 2 weeks' time.
That'd be lovely. Sandy
Okay.
Lusky, it's nice to see you.
Okay. Okay.
Thank
So,
you.
Schönen Dank, schönen Dank.
Thank you,
bye,
Mike.
everyone.
Schönen Dank alle. Schöne Teuve.
Und
Schöne
Shana
Teuve.
Tova. Shana Tova. Shana Tova.
Shana
to all.
Tova.
Shana Tova.